Hi everyone, Pam Harrison with Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 119 Dogwood Circle in Inman, South Carolina. Come on in, let's take a look. Some of the things you can't see is it has foam sprayed insulation in the attic and it has tons of hardwood floors. You'll see those as we come in. Come on, let's go inside. Sure you've enjoyed this home as much as I have, and the tour, come take a look. Call today, schedule your private tour before somebody else locks it up and makes it their next new address. This is Pam Harrison again with Keller Williams Realty. I'll see you at my next new listing.